Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best metal detectors in 2025. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best metal detectors. The 5th product on our list is Garrett Ace Apex. We called the Ace Apex one of the best value machines on the market. The flagship of Garrett's Ace Detector line, the Apex has a large backlit display and 6 detection modes, including specific finder settings for coins, US coins, jewelry, relics, and a custom setting. The most interesting option is its iron audio feature, which helps you identify complex iron objects that you probably don't want to dig up, such as bottle caps. Likewise, the notch discrimination feature lets you filter out certain frequencies if you're trying to avoid metal trash. The Garrett Ace Apex is priced for knowledgeable enthusiasts, so it isn't exactly cheap. You may notice that it costs more than our best overall pick, but you're getting a lot of detectors for the price, which makes it a great value. For a veteran hobbyist or a pro, it's a great bargain. One pro tip if you pick one up: make sure to install the latest firmware update. As reviewers say, it really improves the machine's performance in the field. Up next in 4th place is the Nokta Simplex Ultra. For years, the Nokta Simplex has been the gold standard for beginner-friendly metal detectors, and this new Ultra model continues that legacy. With 6 search modes, a backlit screen, and notch discrimination, it doesn't require much fiddling to get it set up. That said, it's a powerful machine that works well in a variety of conditions. Those 6 settings include 2 multi-tone modes that allow you to use its discrimination to determine what exactly you're detecting without even looking at the menu, which is a big plus. It's also waterproof up to 16 feet, which is quite impressive for a model in its price range, making it especially good for freshwater conditions. Because it is a VLF model, the Simplex Ultra is not as effective on saltwater beaches or mineralized soil as the more professional detectors on our list. As a whole, though, it punches above its weight, making it the perfect machine for anyone interested in learning the ropes of metal detecting. We name this pick as a great option for beginners due to its simplicity and ease of use, rather than its price tag. Indeed, $500 is a lot to spend on a new hobby you may not be sure you'll keep practicing. On the other hand, if you think there's a good chance you'll stick with metal detecting, spending the extra money on a model that's easy and rewarding to use could be the difference that keeps you going back out, rather than spending less money on a machine that's challenging to use. The 3rd product on our list is the Garrett Ace 300. Considered an old reliable by hobbyists, the Garrett Ace 300 is an entry-level metal detector with meat and potatoes features. It has a large screen, a water-resistant coil, and 5 search modes suitable for a variety of terrain, including dry beaches. It also has better pinpointing and iron identification modes than several other models in its price range. Given its relatively low price, it shouldn't come as a surprise that the Ace 300 lacks some of the finer flourishes found on premium detectors, such as a backlit screen and specific water resistance. Its default coil is also only 10 inches, though you can upgrade it with a larger one. Garrett is a name that detectorists trust, so it's an easy recommendation to give to new hobbyists who aren't too concerned about fancy bells and whistles. The 2nd product on our list is the Minelab Equinox 800. Described by Ross as the best option for the dedicated enthusiast, the Minelab Equinox 800 is a multi-frequency detector capable of doing almost anything you'd want, especially at the beach. Its coil can pick up metal on wet sand, even while wading in salt water. Its 4 detection modes can find coins, jewelry, relics, and even gold nuggets on the most mineralized soil. Though it has fewer modes than some similar detectors, such as the Vanquish 440, a machine like the Equinox will likely find more metal and at a greater depth. Ross uses the Minelab Equinox 800 for many of his jobs, and he's used it while wading up to his neck in the ocean. Though it is lighter than most detectors, the fixed shaft length may make it hard to carry around, and reviewers say the length may make it hard to use for anyone shorter than 5 feet 6 inches. At double the price of our beginner and best overall picks, the Equinox 800 is definitely made for a discerning detector fan with a lot of experience. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Minelab Vanquish 440. The Minelab Vanquish 440 offers a tremendous amount of functionality for less than the cost of some less powerful VLF detectors. For about $300, it's a little more expensive than true entry-level models, but it offers a lot of features that enthusiasts look for. Its 4 find modes support all different types of terrain, from turf to fields, and its multi-frequency technology allows it to search saltwater beaches without any problems. You can set and save your own frequency settings to figure out what works best for your area and search style. Perhaps best of all, it weighs only 2.6 pounds. The Vanquish 440 is a true hobby-grade machine that you can grab for a great price. That's all for our list of the 5 best metal detectors on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products, and remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.